Welcome everyone. Today is probably one of the biggest days of my HO train layout career, so to speak. I have an airport up there. I also have trains. Trains are the main thing, but this is something I've been working on for like 3 months, planning and staging. I've got the trains running well right now, so hopefully they don't derail. But we are going to have like the grand unveiling of a flying airplane that will go all the way around the entire layout. So to start out this video, I'm just going to get right at it. I'm going to put the plane in motion and we're going to watch it go. Okay, I've got a Cessna 172 over there on the runway, chomping at the bit, ready to go. So I guess from what I learned, before the pilot starts the engine, he hollers, "Clear!" And clear. That was just about the most fun thing I've done in a long time, amongst other things. I've done a lot of fun things. Anyway, this needs lighting on the runway. So I have some white LED light strips. I'm going to put those on, see if I can get those working, and then maybe make another pass with the plane with the white lights working. And then, of course, I still have to work on the green, and down on that end, the red. So let's get to it. I'll start with the white strip lights. This is what I purchased. It just has I don't have a plug-in here. I think it's 16 feet long. So I need to start over there. I've got to drill 2 holes to get it to run all the way to the end. And then I'll start from over there and I'll pull it up through, drag it all the way back, and it has a sticky part on the back. This is kind of rough, like OSB painted. Hopefully it sticks. It seems like when I set a building on there for a day, it's stuck, but this is probably different. Anyway, so we're going to start over there. I've got to drill 2 holes. I'll carry this right over there. Put something underneath to protect it from the chips falling down. I want to make sure it's... So I'm going to do it right here at the end of the runway. I'll get a broom later, sweep this off. There. Okay, I will unroll all of this and go underneath. Might as well do both of them at the same time, right? Took a minute, but I think I got it. There we go. We're started. Why would you fetch up like that? I definitely don't want to kink it or anything. I guess I'll pull more than enough and then it's done. So now I can pull it. Oh, we got plenty. All right. I'm going to put it right on the white paint because this is basically white. I don't want to have like two white lines showing. So I need to go over there and we'll get the starting point. All right, I hope this is tenaciously sticky. I also want to make sure I've got all the, I don't have it like a bunch of rolls in it. Trying to get some weight on it to get it to straighten out. I have a kink over there. Whoops, oh. Get something a little heavier than a house. All right, let's let the stickiness begin. It feels pretty doggone sticky. All right, it has begun. Somebody had suggested painting these little lights green for the start area. I think I might do that. Well, I'm sure once I get started it'll come good. Okay, I'll move over there and carry on. Yep. I am not going to say, wow, this is easy, because as soon as I do, why did it get hard right there? Because as soon as I said it was easy. What? What? It pulled the sticky stuff off. I knew it. What is that all about? Let's see if I can recover some of it. Well, I'm not sure what happened there. Now I'm getting my fingerprints on the, I'm ruining some of the stickiness of it. Well, I think I'm back to good going. While I'm right here, I might point out there is going to be train tracks coming up this side and this side. That should be pretty interesting. Can't wait to try this out. They are dimmable, so I can get it as bright or dark as I want. I could even leave them off. all the options, wow. That hardly even shows up as far as when I had the white stripes, at least from this angle. I don't know if it shows up differently over there. Okay, down there and finish it. There it is. Okay. Well, that took a bit of time, but I think it's really good and solid. I think. Okay. All right, almost an hour later, mounting, putting the lights on, running them down through, running them to a switch. The switches end right here, so that's. I kind of wanted it all over the control box, but it's not. So anyway, let's turn them on and see what we get. They get dim. Oh, come on, where are you? And then they can go all the way. Whoa! And then the other one. That is really cool. I think probably we're going to want them dimmed down. So that's off, just barely on. Let's make a few passes, and I may even turn off the overhead lights, but we'll start with one. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to try like 3 or 4 passes. One just with this type of lighting. The overhead lights are on, and these are on dim. Well, let's see how it looks. Clear? Okay, that's pass 1. We'll go back to the beginning. I think I'll turn off the overhead lights. I really like this lighting. Wow. Just gives it kind of a really cool glow. Okay, here we go. Clear? Okay, we're going to put the high beams on. We'll turn the runway strip lights all the way up. I'm pretty sure it's overkill and it's going to be too much, but I just wanted to see it. I haven't seen it yet. So I got to go turn them up. Here he goes. That is bright. Clear? Okay, that does it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I am just so excited that I finally got it to work. And it still has some bugs in it I need to work out. It's kind of bouncy. I want to take care of that. But I will, the next video that you see will be how I built the entire airplane flying apparatus from start to finish. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you later. Hey, leave a comment, hit the like button, share it, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, because this is like just, I feel like I'm just scratching the surface of where we're going. Okay. See you later.